Here is a simple way to make your presentation stand out. This is the world map slide in PowerPoint. Watch this. When I zoom in, you can highlight any continent in detail. And with the zoom out, you are back to the full map view in just one click. Such a smooth transition make your slide more engaging and professional. Try this at your next presentation. Let's learn how to create. Open the PowerPoint, insert the world map, go to Insert, Zoom, Slide Zoom. Then select one slide which you want to insert. Click on it and then click on Insert. Reduce the size to the required dimensions. Again, go to Insert, go to Zoom, Slide Zoom. Click on whatever slides you want to add on this page. Just check the size of this Africa, that is 1.68 centimeter. Click on all the slides for the zooms and make the height to the 1.6 centimeter. Click on see. Now just drag that slide to the required position. Do it for the second one. Latin America. Then adjust the slide. Again, go to North America. Adjust the slide to the required position. Then for the Europe and Asia, adjust it. For Europe, we will